The Football Federation and fans and friends from all over the world are in a celebration mood after the Jamaican Reggae Girls qualified for the World Cup. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So congratulations are in high order for Jamaican Reggae Girls after they defeated Haiti 4-0 on Monday night at the CONCACAF Women's Championship in Mexico to qualify for the second straight FIFA World Cup. So this is good news for the Jamaican team right now, and I can tell you they were so elated when all those goals went into the back of the net. And I just want to let them know at this time that the entire country is very proud of them for their efforts and their resilience in putting Jamaica once more into the World Cup, of the Women's World Cup that is. And I can tell you that the entire country is in a celebration mood based on this milestone accomplishment by the Jamaican football teams. I can tell you that when I watched some replays of the match, the females, they actually put out their best, and we had some close chances with the other team, that was Haiti, I must say. But despite that, the Jamaican team continued to press on and they came out victorious in this match. Not gonna say that the match was a walkover for them, because there were some real dying moments within the game. It said that I thought that the other side would have scored because they had some great chances. However, they did not capitalize on them. However, the Jamaica team capitalized on most of their opportunities, and I can tell you they delivered a stellar performance for the world to see that the Jamaican female football team is a force to reckon with. Now they're at the World Cup and making the qualifying stage to the World Cup. They have done it. Now we hope that they just continue with this same mindset and this focus going into the World Cup and just do their very best in order to secure actually some winnings in this World Cup to come. And I can tell you that I know that the girls will make Jamaica proud, and even if they're not victorious in any of the games, we just want to know that the fact that they qualified for the World Cup and had a chance to actually participated in this event would be something that we always will remember, and something that will forever resonate on the hearts and minds of many. So much love goes out to the Jamaican football team, and I can tell you, these girls, thank you, because this win was actually wonders what was in the making. And many people had many different things to say about the whole entire game and whether or not they believe that Jamaica would have been successful based on a recent defeat with USA. But despite that, they bounced back and they delivered one of the best performances I have seen for a very long time coming from a Caribbean football team. And I can tell you that I'm really elated based on this accomplishment from the Jamaican football female team. Hats off to them for a great performance, and we just want to wish them all the best in their future endeavors and their future matches to come, and they just continue on this mindset and this aim in order for victory. So this is where I believe we're going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.